let's go to the next topic. If you're given two fractions and you were asked, are they equal or not equal? How would you know? There is a test that you're able to do to determine the equality or inequality of two given fractions, and we call the method cross multiplication. What you basically do is you cross multiply and find the product. 1 times 30 is 30, and cross multiply and you write down the product. 5 times 6 is also 30. The rule says if you do the two cross multiplications and the two products are equal, then the fractions themselves are equal as well. So I am able to conclude that the two fractions are equal, again, because the cross products are equal. The same thing with number 2. 4 over 12 and 21 over 60, are they equal or no? We'll do the cross multiplication test. 21 times 12, and that will give you 252. And do the other cross multiplication. 4 times 6 is 240. The products in this case are not equal. Then that means that the fractions themselves are not equal. They are unequal. Third one, two fractions, are they equal or no? Cross multiply. 6 times 36 will give you 216. 25 times 9 will give you 225. Again, the products are not equal, then the fractions themselves are not equal, unequal or not equal. That's it. Very simple. Any questions on this method? Okay, let's do a self-check question on that one topic. The fractions 17 over 34 and 41 over 82 are what fractions? Are what? What do you think? Are they equal, improper, unequal, or like? I would just ignore the number D for now because I want to go over like and unlike fractions. So D is not the answer. But what about the other three? Just to be fair and give you the ones that we have gone through so far. Improper fractions. Most of you know what's an improper fraction. Are they equal or unequal? What do you think? I'm going to leave that screen up, do the cross multiplication test, and see which word is good to be put there so the statement is true. When you cross multiply, I would recommend that you use a calculator, again, because we are not learning how to manually multiply two whole numbers. We are learning now how to check if two fractions are equal. So I think that when you use a calculator in this topic, you eliminate distraction because, again, you're trying to learn how to find out if two fractions are equal, not to practice manually multiplying two numbers, but it's up to you. Are these fractions equal or not equal? What do you think? So again, are they equal or no? The first thing that comes to my mind is to do the cross multiplication test. So what I'm going to do is multiply 41 times 34, and that is 1,394. And do the same thing with the 17 times 82, and that will give you the product 1,394 as well. The products are equal, then the fractions themselves are also equal. So these two fractions are equal.